ki kubor nakaslem jong Nongpynïaid Hima.
Hadin baka sorkar kalapan bena ban Shah eki Skul bat ki jaka jengok kai pertai ha kejela makin Plie nadu kasi terik unailur arhajar arpway keladon ki Skul bat ki jaka jengok kai pertai ke bapen pau bakim pat kwa ban Plie nagaliang umetri rangba u Conrad sangma ulaong baka sorkar kala Shah hanroi ka Shong hai ki Nongpynïaid jong ki Skul lakin Plie ni kimpat Plie ya ki Skul bat ha keju kaporu ka Shong Hakisnong kitau lakin Shah ban Plie ni kimpat Shah ya ki jaka jengok kai pertai hanrei nakaliang jok sorkar kala Shah ban Plie bat baro kasong hakarai jongki kumno kin Shim ya ki senjam.
After, of course, seeing that the numbers have come down considerably compared to the last 2 to 3 weeks, we have, of course, opened up a number of activities. So we want more of such activities to be opened up, and at the same time, so that normalcy can return. But at the same time, we are also trying to streamline some of the small areas where some confusions were there in regards to the protocols that have been issued by the health department or by the political or by the DC. So those matters were discussed. So those are micro details. I think the Deputy Commissioner and Chief Secretary's office, once the notifications comes out, those details will be available there. So we've been very clear with everybody, whether it's tourism or with schools, that the local authority will have a lot of power to decide what they want to do. So if a particular village in Sora area or in Jente Hills or Reboy do not desire that tourists should come in, then they can close their tourism sector. There's no problem in that. Similarly, schools also, if they feel that they don't want to open up, nobody's going to force them. What we are trying to do right now is we're trying to open up in a phase-wise manner and give the flexibility to people who would like to, open up, and at the same time allow people who are not very comfortable with things opening up. We're allowing the flexibility for them not to. So if people from Sora or whichever area, I won't take names, since you mentioned it, I'm just mentioning it, but whichever area it may be, it will entirely depend on them. And if the local area people are not comfortable, then they may close the sector for the time being and see and wait when situation improves or when they feel comfortable.